started in 1998, and then in 2004 the Adventure Center finally opened, and it was just a place where people could come in, learn more about the dairy industry, dairy farming, and really see the whole process from grass to glass, which is what we show here. You see exactly what the cows are eating, how they go by day to day, and then you actually see the products being made from the milk, the cheese, the ice cream, getting to sample everything and actually getting to take part in the whole process. So it's a really great educational tool, and we really want to promote the dairy industry and the healthiness and wellness of dairy farming itself. What are some key trends that you found apparent today rather than 5 or 10 years ago?
More volatility in milk prices. Consumers' perception of our products seems to be changing to some degree.
I hope I'll learn some new tricks for my farm. I'm sure I will. You'll learn something every day if you live long enough.
We actually do not have tough economic times right now. The dairy industry in Canada is very strong. Dairy farmers of Canada have done a lot of new things to try to promote it, try to stabilize things, and that we're doing well. Things are going very well.
Well, I look forward to discussing with other farmers the problems that they face, and maybe that'll help me overcome some of the problems, or at least understand why I have the problems that I have.